Kenny has a new toy. He loves this. Nothing but a paper cup. And he gives it to me, and he goes, what do we do with this? And I say, well, Kenny, you've got to catch it. Okay, he says. And then I'm going to run over here and put it with my other paper cups. Yeah. See that? He's got a little nest of paper cups. Don't you? Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at that good boy. That SpongeBob SquarePants has a use for a toucan. Ah. It's the best toy in the world. Paper cups. Huh. What is he trying to do? Oh, you lost it. No, I didn't. I meant to do that. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. He's like, where's another one? I want another paper cup. I want another paper cup. Do you? I will get you another paper cup. You can have as many as you want. Because you're beautiful. And you're just owning my heart. You are. Okay. We're going to get Kenny more cups.